It's great to see you again. Let's get into it. So what's been going on? Lots. Spot rates are up higher than they've been ever, and I think there's a lot of excitement in freight, especially for carriers right now, about where rates are going. So typically what we see is a demand side surge that would coincide with rates going up. We're not seeing that right now. Consumer sentiment continues to be depressed. CPI, core inflation, is up. What's happening is that on the supply side, there's just been such a tight contraction over these last 3-4 years that supply has just exited the market. I think the easiest way to understand this is that for quite some time now, trucks have just been on sale. And I think what we're seeing is full price for trucking. If you take a look at the ATRI's recent cost of trucking outputs, the cost of trucking has never been higher, and the margins have been continuing to be depressed. So I think with these exits, what you're seeing is that floor coming up. We've talked about this before when we saw rates move a few months ago, and I said, well, I don't think we're in a demand side recovery. What we are is that floor is coming up, and I think that's what's actually happening here. What's going to be really interesting to see is the recent Class 8 truck orders were up like 200 something percent, 30,000 truck orders. What does that mean? I'm not sure, right? It could mean a flood of capacity coming back to the market. It could just mean that we're replacing some old equipment for larger carriers. The real recovery needs to come on the demand side. We need people buying more stuff. We need that to work in the back of a truck, and I'm not sure that we're seeing that today. When that does happen though, and these floor rates are more well established, I think you're going to see rates go up even further as carriers look to protect their margin. If I'm a shipper out there right now, I'm probably having conversations with my carrier as we're going to go into bid cycles here in late Q3, early Q4. Probably want to understand what it is that you're looking from your carrier base. If you're exposed to the spot market right now, probably looking at paying quite a bit more here over the near to long term. If you're a driver on the road, as always, be safe. Thank you for what you do, and we'll see you next time.